Hariom students, based on the yesterday's formulae which I have discussed through the video yesterday I have sent it. We have three problems in front of us. The first one is find the sum to n terms of the series 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square dot 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 up to n terms. Now you see this 1 square, 3 square, 5 square up to n terms I have written as 1 plus 3 plus 5. So first of all we have to find out the nth term of this one, which is done using the formula Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. After calculation we are getting 2n minus 1. So this 2n minus 1 is the nth term of this, and each term is squared as it was given in the series. So 2n minus 1 can be squared, that is whole square. So kth term of this sequence can be written as 2k minus 1 whole square, which is what I have written over here. Kth term of the series will be tk is equal to 2k minus 1 whole square. Now Sn can be written as sigma k is equal to 1 to n tk, and it is equal to 2k minus 1 whole square, k is equal to 1 to n. This one is expanded as 4k square minus 4k plus 1, and then 4 is taken out. Sigma k is equal to 1 to n k square minus 4 sigma k is equal to 1 to n k plus 1 n times will be added. So because of that I have taken n beforehand. Now this sigma k square is nothing but it is n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. This sigma k is nothing but it is n plus 1 divided by 2 plus n. This I have already discussed. After this the simple calculation is there, then you simplify on your own. Now the second example is taken. These all questions are from your R.D. Sharma book. The second example I have taken as find the sum of the series 2 square, 4 square, 6 square up to 2n square. So directly I am taking kth term can be written as tk is equal to 2k whole square. Now Sn will be written as sigma k is equal to 1 to n tk, which is nothing but 4k square. 4 is taken outside, so sigma k square, that is equal to 4 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 whole divided by 6. Then you simplify this thing on your own, you will get the answer. Next example I have taken as find the sum to n terms of the series 1 into 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3 into 4 plus 3 into 4 into 5 and so on. Now you see this 1, 2, 3, after that you will have the first term as 4. The nth term of this sequence, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 will be equal to n. Then 2, 3, 4, then next 5 and so on. The nth term of that will be equal to n plus 1. Similarly this 3, 4, 5 and so on, the nth term will be taken as n plus 2. You can see the calculation. So kth term of this sequence can be written as tk is equal to k this n, in place of that I have taken k. This n plus 1 becomes k plus 1 and this n plus 2 is k plus 2. So kth term of the sequence is this much. So Sn is equal to sigma k is equal to 1 to n tk, and that is equal to, after calculation you can calculate it, you are getting k cube plus 2k square plus k square plus 2k. This further simplification is done over here as the space was not there. So sigma k cube plus 3 sigma k square plus 2 sigma k is equal to 1 to n. Then k cube sigma can be written as n plus 1 whole divided by 2 whole square. This sigma k square, 3 is of course multiplied, can be written as n plus 1 multiplied by 2n plus 1. Alright, 2n plus 1 it is, not 3. Then sigma k can be written as 2 is multiplied n plus 1 divided by 2. This can be simplified. You can do it on your own. I hope all these three are clear to all of you. Thank you.